Hello, my wonderful, not too shabby friends. This is Teresa with Fresh and Renewed with Teresa, and I am here today for day 2 of the sneak peeks for the January box of the month. There are only a few more days left in this year, and I am so excited for the things that are to come this next year for Not Too Shabby. So we have some changes. Jamie talked about some of them yesterday. We're only going to have 3 days of sneak peeks leading up to a live release party on the 1st. So she will have that on Monday, and you're not going to want to miss it. So I have the sneak peek today for you for what is in the junior box of the month and what is the other collection and the rest of the products in the large box of the month. So we have, I'll show you the stamp sets first. So let me move everything out of the way. First, we have the stamp set Beauty. And you have 3 little princesses on here. And then a rose. And then you have the sentiments Believe, You're Invited, A Day to Remember, Hello Princess, a little swag of some butterflies, Birthday Princess, and You Are a True Beauty. So, it's fabulous little stamp set. And then we have this princess stamp set, and it is called Time to Dream. And then again, we have 3 princess images. We have a cup, Positive Life, Time to Dream, Hello, a heart, princess, and then some little icons to fill in. I'd love to take this icon right here. I've never done this before, so this is a challenge to myself this month sometime. Take this icon right here and make my own background paper. So I may do that. So you have those 2 stamp sets in this collection. Then we have the paper pad and the ephemera in this collection. And the paper pad, forgot to get it open ahead of time. It's called A Day to Remember, and it has 12 designs. So let's flip through the designs. We have a purple diamond pattern with some just pumpkins and flowers all over it and high heels. Then we have 2 glitter dot patterns. A flower on a striped glitter. The stripes are glitter and the dots are just plain, I think. And then this diamond pattern with some glitter stripes. Another glitter dot pattern. Let's look at it that's different from the first one. Then we have this stripe, our diamond pattern that has some icons in it. Then we have this same pattern that was up here on just a plain white background. Then we have some flowers on a diamond background. Then we have a very faint diamond background with some purple glitter. And then this rose gold glitter with on a peach colored background with all of those images on it. And then another diamond pattern with some purple glitter, and then your patterns start to repeat. So beautiful, beautiful pages. You've got lots of glitter and sparkle in here. Of course, it's not real glitter. It's just made into the paper so it won't flake off or anything. So gorgeous paper. And then we have your ephemera for this collection. You have lots of girls, princesses, and glasses and flowers. And hey, my friends, I am back to show you how I'm going to put this card together, and you'll think, what in the world? Okay, so this is how I'm doing this. I told you last night I couldn't sleep, and so I have this die that makes these diamond-shaped borders, and I knew there were lots of diamonds in this paper pad, so I die cut all of these, and I'm going to put them on the front of the card. But I was like, what's a way I could do this without gluing everything? So I decided to use some score tape. So I'm going to get my score tape pulled off here, and it's kind of fiddly to get it pulled off, but I get it pulled off, and then I am putting it on my card base and burnishing it down, and then I'm going to pull out my scissors, my larger scissors, and get it cut off. And this score tape is super, super sticky, so it is a bear to get cut off. So we get this all cut off, and then I am going to get started working on my layout. So I have the tag that I cut. It is a not too shabby tag that was available earlier this year. And I am gluing it to a white base that I cut a second one, so it would have some sturdiness, because the person I'm giving it to is going to use this tag as a bookmark. So that is completely why I am gluing my ephemera down flat to the front of the tag. And I will write a message on the back of the tag before I give it to the recipient. So I pulled out some purple and white twine to get it put into the hole of the tag, and I am getting it all trimmed off just like I want it. And then I am using some gold glitter tape to put my little acetate pocket on there. And I'm going to be honest with you, I am not sure that this is going to stick. I stuck it down, it didn't work, I pulled it back up. You'll see me put some liquid glue on it. I put something heavy on it. I couldn't find an acrylic block, but I had something even heavier sitting right there, so I used that, and I am still not sure if it's going to stick. You'll see in the picture it looks kind of like it's pulling up, but now I am using the sentiment, "You are a true beauty," and I put that across the bottom here. And get that, I'm sorry, I was off camera. Now I am going to decorate the inside. No card is ever finished unless you decorate the inside of it, and I'm just putting one of those leftover diamond border strips and a couple of pieces of ephemera, and there we have it. There's my card, and all finished on the inside. Okay, there we have the You are a true beauty with the removable tag. I don't want to take it out because it does slide out. That glitter tape for holding my pocket isn't staying on there very well. So I'm gonna put something heavy on it. So, and then on the inside, I will write a message to the recipient. So, there we go. Your sneak peek for the day 2 of the January box of the month for the A Day to Remember. Remember, this set will be in your junior box of the month, and the second set in your large box of the month. I will leave the description in the description box down below. I will leave the link to where you can sign up to get notified when this box drops in the shop. There is a very, very special thing to this box, I'm gonna say, and you probably want to go to yesterday's video or day 1 of the sneak peek and catch Jamie's video, and she gives you a very special thing that is going to happen if you sign up early, and I will leave that link in the description box as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.